We created the world's first Cinegrade wearable light. And then, we created it again. Introducing Q6 LED light bracelet. You can mount Q6 by slapping it, magnetizing it, wrapping it, or throwing it. It is tougher, with better splash resistance and improved mechanics. Q6 comes as a high CRI bicolor strip or clean wavelength RGB. With more control, you can now select between 5 brightness levels with an extra low level for extreme close-ups. Brightness control is now also built into the effects function, giving you complete mastery over your set. Coming in at under 45 grams, Q6 is among the lowest profile cinematic lights in the world, so you can hide it just about anywhere, even in plain sight. Q6 features an upgraded power management system, providing up to 8 hours of light on a single charge. It is charging even when turned on, so you never run out of light when you need it the most. Add an external power bank, and it will run for days. You can even use and charge multiple Q6 units with a 3-way cable out of a single USB port.
SKG K5 Pro Neck Massager. Relieve your neck pain. Being engaged with your smartphone for hours and hours results in unwelcome neck pain. Muscles suffer from intense pressure, and it might seem that a traditional hand massage is not enough to relieve the pain. Before using the massager, apply body lotion to moisten the neck. You can control the intensity using 4 new different massage modes. Four massage pads go beyond surface kneading, working nerves to blood vessels and muscles. Using double pulse, massage from inside to outside. 15 levels of skin-friendly intensity, assuring every nerve is fully stretched. Accelerate blood flow in the neck and promote local metabolism. 3D massage, multi-electrode and multiple massage methods offer better massage effect, simulating manual massage techniques.
.365 days a year, all seasons, one mug to fit them all. Meet Yecup, the wireless on-the-go mug for all seasons. The only temperature-adjustable wireless mug that can boil or cool down your drinks and maintain your preferred temperature throughout the day. You can take Yecup with you anywhere you go. Pour your favorite drink. Choose how cold or how hot you want your drink to be. Yecup will notify you once it reaches your desired temperature and your drink is ready. Just like you like it. Very, very cold or boiling hot. Left your phone at home? Never mind. Cool or heat your drink with built-in buttons. And you can even charge your phone up to 3 times a day. Yecup charges wirelessly with a stainless steel body, temperature indicator, and leak-proof lid. Yecup is ideal for use in sports, at home, while studying. Also, the mug will heat or cool twice faster when plugged in the car.
Don't want to spend hours installing an outdoor security camera? Meet DoorCam 2, the revolutionary over-the-door security camera. DoorCam 2 installs in seconds over almost any door, house, apartment, or business. Its simple physical installation makes it easy to relocate wherever life takes you. Just hang it on the door. No screws or wires needed. DoorCam 2 is an outdoor security camera with an indoor Wi-Fi connection, giving you a stronger signal. It can be powered by batteries with free 3-day rolling cloud storage and 160 degrees of 1080p Full HD. You'll never miss any activity and can prevent crime before it happens.
Hey, what are you doing?
You can see, hear, and talk to visitors from anywhere.
I've got a delivery for you.
Great, I'll be right there.
DoorCam 2.